So, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Oh, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
So, Asta, you bringing food from own?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Dheer, what is your status?
Ma'am, I'm coming offline.
Offline. What about the food and transport?
I think I will do from school.
Okay.
I will ask
Next
from my
is
mom and I will
Diva.
make. Ma'am, I will make.
Diva. No, you
I
can,
will,
if their parents are there near to you, you can ask right now also and tell
no,
me.
ma'am, they are not there. That's why my mom has gone to my school.
Okay.
That
Diva.
Yes, ma'am.
Diva, what is your status?
Offline.
What about food and transport?
School will give.
Okay. Hare, what is your status?
Offline.
Offline. Food and transport?
School.
Okay. And what about Harsh Keshwani? Harsh
offline and
Keshwani?
school.
Okay. What
Offline and
Hia?
school.
Hia is there? No, Hia is not there. Okay, next child is Jignesh is not there. Is Jignesh
Not
there?
there, ma'am.
Krishav?
Ma'am, offline.
What about food and transport?
Offline.
Lakshya Dola?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is your status?
My state is offline
Food and transport?
from school.
Moin Kaludi? Moin is there? Moin? He's not at his place. Moksh Patel? Dwani, turn on your camera. Moksh Patel? Wait a minute, Krisha. Pritika, what is your status?
Offline.
Food and transport?
School.
Okay. Shivangani, what is your status?
Ma'am, offline.
Offline? School? You are coming
Yes.
to school?
Yes, ma'am.
Food and transport?
Ma'am, only food.
Only food. No transport. You are coming on?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, father will pick and drop.
Okay. What is Shivani? What is your status?
Ma'am, the same.
Same. Your means you're coming to school
Yes, ma'am. And
and
only
food,
food.
only food. So transport will be on.
Yes.
Vedi, what is your status?
Ma'am, offline and the food and travel from the school.
Everything from the school, right? Viha, what is your status?
Ma'am, offline and food from school and transport also from school.
Okay. Mohammed, yours also transport and food from school, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Moin Kaludi, what is your status? मैम मोइन का क्या है स्टेटस?
Ma'am, offline and food.
Food and transport you coming on? Moin, please give your parents so can I can talk with them.
Okay. एंगल से बात करना है.
Hello,
Hello, ma'am. Good morning.
good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, Moin is coming to school for the
Yes,
classes.
ma'am. Yes,
So I will
ma'am.
write offline.
Yes.
You have filled the form, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I filled.
Okay. What about food and transport?
Yes, we will take food also and transportation also.
Both from the school.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Ma'am, if you have not filled the form, please either mail to the class teacher and the
Ma'am, I
coordinator.
filled the form and sent already.
Okay. 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 Thank you.
Ma'am, offline school भी होगी?
ऑफलाइन ये तो पूछ रही हूँ मैं ऑफलाइन और ऑनलाइन दो ऑप्शंस है.
अच्छा तो ऑनलाइन भी होगी जो बच्चे नहीं आएंगे उनके लिए?
यस यस.
अच्छा ओके ठीक है, नहीं मोइन आएंगा स्कूल में, ठीक है.
Okay. Moksh Patel is there in the class. Viha, what you said, both all the things offline. Viha,
Yes, ma'am.
all the things, food, transport
Yes.
from school, and you are
Yes,
coming
ma'am.
to school. Vihan Vyas,
Yes.
is Vihan Vyas there in the class?
Yes, ma'am. I am
Vihan.
going to offline.
So Vihan, where is your offline?
Yes,
What about
offline
the food
food
and
and
transport?
from school.
Okay. Aravapani,
I'm offline.
all the things offline, food and transport
Yes.
also
Yes, ma'am.
from the school. Okay. Thank you, students. Let's start the class. Take out your notebooks, everyone.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, please ask Krisha.
Ma'am, are you in the school?
Yes, I am in a school. Lower down your hand, Krisha. Now take out your notebooks, everyone. Children, as you know that we have done the multiplication, we have done the row and column multiplication also, then we have learned the traditional method of multiplication, algorithm long method. And we have done the story problem based on the multiplications also. And I have sent the worksheet yesterday. Everyone completed that worksheet? Shivangani, turn on your camera, please.
Yes, ma'am. I have completed.
Completed.
No, ma'am.
Please, if you have not completed, please complete that worksheet and attach your work. Okay.
Ma'am, yesterday because I was sick.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Now
I
write the
completed and sent it.
heading. Today we are going to do the number line multiplication. What are we going to do? Multiplication on number line. Right? So please take out your notebooks. I'm going to present my screen.
Ma'am, we have to take out maths notebook. or
Yes,
revision.
maths notebook. Let me take the attendance for a minute. The screen is visible. My dear students, this is visible to you all.
Ask a similar question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is written on the screen? 4 multiplied by 2. Let me escape this. What is written here in the heading? 4 multiplied by 2. If not visible, I will explain you. Please write the heading. First of all, write multiplication on the number line. Please write the heading multiplication on the number line. Everyone completed that?
No, ma'am.
Please write fast. Write the heading, write today's date.
And what is the heading?
It's written there on the screen. Multiplication on the number line. Water.
Done. Return, ma'am.
Just a minute. Huh? Visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the heading is multiplication on the number line. We are going to learn the multiplication on the number line. Can I start now? Please
Yes,
write
ma'am.
the,
Yes, ma'am.
please write the sum number 1, 4 multiplied by 2. Done everyone? 4 multiplied by 2.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Now write
Yes,
4
ma'am.
multiplied by 2 means 4 times 2. Right? 4 times 2. Multiplication means times. How many times 2? 4 times 2. Please mute your mic.
Write that.
Please mute your mic. Wait a minute. I will explain you on the sheet. Wait. Mute yourself. Someone mic is on. Now I'm going to present my screen to you all again, and I will write on that screen. Please write that in your notebook.
Ma'am, Pritika's mic is on.
Please, Arush, mute your mic. Okay, this is visible to you all.
Yes, ma'am.
As I was saying, 4 multiplied by 2. You have to write this. Let me zoom it out.
Yes, ma'am. It's too small.
Now done. It's visible to everyone. After writing this, write down, come on the next line, sorry. Come on the next line. Write, please mute yourself, someone mic is on. 4 times 2. What does this 4 times 2 means? Means you have to make the group of 2, how many times? 4 times you have to make. Yes. And it is also called 4 groups of 2. Now when you write these two statements, 4 times 2 means 4 groups of 2. So we can write it in this way, 2 plus 2 plus 2. How many times 2 we have to write?
4 times 2.
4 times 2. Yes. 4 multiplied by 2 means 4 times 2 or 4 groups of 2, or you can write it in the 4 times 2. Now if you want to show this detail on the number line, first complete this, then I will show you the number line.
Done, ma'am.
Done? Now everyone draw a line starting from 0. I will show you the number line on the screen once you complete this. Everyone completed? If once completed, then let me know.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to write this all.
Yes, yes. This statement means 4 multiplied by 2 का मतलब होता है 4 times 2, 4 groups of 2, or 2 4 times 2 you have to add. So this statement means this thing. उसको 4 times 2 भी कहते हैं, 4 groups of 2 भी कहते हैं, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 भी कहते हैं. Suppose if I give you suppose if I am giving you 8 apples.
Which number we have to draw the line?
First, wait. What I am explaining you, listen. Suppose I am giving you 8 apples, right? And I am telling you, make 4 groups of 2. So in each group, how many you will put?
2.
Suppose I am giving you the 8 apples and I am telling you make 4 groups of 2. So how many you will put in each group? 2. Yes. And total will be 8.
8.
Okay.
8.
Now I'm again going to present the next screen. The another screen, number line screen is visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
So now as Shivangani was asking, ma'am, how many numbers you have to put? At least 10 to 15 numbers you have to put, because when you see 4 groups of 2 means it's 4 2s are 8. The answer it will come within the 10, right? So now when you, and always remember the number line start from 0. Don't start from 1. Always start from 0. 0 to 2 is the one group. Then 2 to 4 is the another group. Don't start from 3 to 5. Then your jump will be wrong. Where you have ended the first group, the next group also will start from there only. 0 to 1, 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, and 6 to 8. Now automatically you can see that you have not learned the multiplication also, and you have directly reached to the answer, which is the 8. Got it? Got it? Done? The number line also?
No, ma'am.
Please draw the number line, and number line should be neat. Neat. The gap between the numbers should be equal. आप ऐसा नहीं है 1 और 2 के बीच का गैप आपने इतना सही छोड़ा, एंड 2 के और 3 के बीच में आपने गैप बड़ा बना दिया. Your number line should be neat. Here you can see the way the number line is. कितनी neat बनी हुई है. Same way you also have to make a neat number line.
Ma'am, like this.
Just a minute. When I stop the presentation, then only I will able to see you. Just show me.
Ma'am, I have written.
The distance should be equal. Yes, yes, good. And now when you start from 0 and take a 2 jumps every time, you will automatically reach to the product, which will be the 8. Jignesh, you have joined now.
Mama, like what direction now?
Okay, Jignesh, I want to ask one thing. You are coming to school offline?
Yes, ma'am.
And what about the food and transport you taking from school, or you bringing from home?
Ma'am, from school only.
School only. Okay. Is Hiya there in the class? Students, is Hiya
Yes,
there in
ma'am.
class? Hiya, what is your status?
Ma'am, I will eat in school.
Can you please call your mama so that you are coming to school
Yes, ma'am.
for the classes?
Yes.
You have filled the form,
Yes.
and food and transport also from the school?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any doubt, so that if you have any confusion, you can call your parent. Otherwise, I will mark accordingly. You have filled, na, right?
Ma'am, Mox has also joined.
Who?
Mox.
Moksha Patel.
Excuse me, ma'am, can you show your screen?
Yes, yes. Moksha Patel, what is your status?
I am coming to school
Hmm?
and I
Transport.
will eat in school.
And what about the transport? Moksh, what about the transport? You coming from home?
Van.
You are coming from own transport, or you taking your school transport?
Own transport.
Okay, you not taking the school transport, right? Only food you are taking from school.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, we have to make like this.
Just let me pin.
Ma'am, like this.
Put your notebook down. 0 to 2, 2 to 4, and 4 to 6, and 6 to 8. Every time you have to jump 4.
Can you see mine? Can you see?
Wait a minute. Krishav is showing. Kritika is showing. Dheer is showing. Yes. Can I move to the next question now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now suppose next question is 5 multiplied by 4. So what does this line means?
Ma'am,
The
5
way you have done.
times 4. 5 times 4.
So can we write that? 5 multiplied by 4. So what does this mean? We can write it in detail. 5 times 4. And another way it is also called. How many groups of 4?
5.
5 groups. 5 groups of 4. So what do you think? How many will be in each group?
20.
How many will be in the each group?
20.
20 will be the total.
4.
I'm asking
Five,
if you
five,
are
five.
making 5 groups of 4. 5 group बना रहे हो आपके पास 20 apples हैं.
5. 4.
4 will be in each group. What does this mean? 4 in each group. So 4 plus 4. How many times 4 I will write? 4.
5.
4 plus 4. 5 times 4 when I will write, then answer is 20. And when you put it on the number line, wait, I will show you the number line. This first complete this, then I will move to the number line. Yes,
We have
please.
to write now 4 plus 4 plus
Yes,
4.
yes. 5 times 4. 5 times 4 means in each group there will be 4 objects and you have to take the 5 times 4 object. Then only your answer will be 20. Multiplication means times. So आप यहाँ से समझ लो जो number है 5 times 4. If I say 6 multiplied by 7, 6 times 7. Got it? 6 groups of 7 you can say. So 5 multiplied by 4 is 5 times 4. Am I audible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I go to the next?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I go to the number line of this? Can anyone explain me the number line of this?
Ma'am, we will start from 0
0.
and jump to 5, and then
No.
we'll jump.
No.
Ma'am, I can tell.
No.
Ma'am, can I?
Can I
0 to 4.
0 to 4. Yes. Each time you will take 4, 4. Then 4
And then
to
4 to 8.
then 4 to 8. Then
8 to 12, 8 to 12,
8 to 12 and then
12 to 16, 16
12
to
to
20.
16 and 16 to 20. So when you are taking when you are taking the jump of 5 times, you will automatically reach, because it's saying no, the statement means 5 times 4. 5 times आपको 4 के jump लगाना है. 1 time jump, 2 time jump will reach on the 8, 3 time jump will reach on the 12, 4 time jump will reach on the 16 and 5 times jump will reach on the 20. So 5 times अब जब आप 4 के jump लगाओगे तो you automatically reach on the answer which is 20. है ना? सिर्फ ये स्टेटमेंट का मतलब अगर आपको पता है then you can easily do the number line. Please complete this, then I will move to the next.
Ma'am, is this okay? Done with the pen.
What happened? And please, just a minute, huh? Please, students, give me 1 minute. Yes, someone was asking something.
Ma'am, Astagis is correct.
And please remember that use the pencil for the number lines. Yes, good. And always 0 to 4, 4 to 8. Don't leave any number in between. Don't 0 to 4 and then you start the next from 5. Then it will be wrong. Am I clear? Where you have ended the one group, then from that group only start the next jump. Then from that only start the next jump. Clear, everyone?
I have
Yes.
done 0 to 4 with the pen.
It's okay. First you have done. Next time make the number lines with the pencil only. Then it will. Yes, show me, Arush. 0 to 5 it is coming. Then it is wrong. Wrong. You have to jump 5 times. Each time you have to take 4. 5 times of 4. Okay. So do it again.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Vedi, show me.
In this, it is coming like this.
Wrong. If your number line should come in a 1 line only. You cannot make 2 lines for the number line.
So I can
आप
do
space
it
कम
in
ले लो. आप space कम ले लो बच्चा. from the
Can I
beginning.
do till here?
Ma'am,
Huh.
see my.
Okay.
Show me. It's coming blur. It's not visible. Not visible.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you show the number line?
Yeah, what happened? Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am. Clearly.
You want to see the number line, Vedi?
Yes, ma'am.
See,
Ma'am,
if
now it is
5
clear.
times, 5 times 4, 0 to 4, 1 times 4, 2 times 4 will be 8, 3 times 4 will be 12, 4 times 4 will be 16, and 5 times 4 will be 20. Please mute your mic. Someone mic is on.
Ma'am, see my.
Wait a minute. Which child wants to show me? Moin kar beta.
Moin.
Yes. Yes, 1 time 4, 8, 12, 16. Yes. And now I will stop my presentation. I will ask two sums from each child. Be ready and explain me the way I have explained you. Please raise your hand, those who are ready. Okay. Yes, Dhwani, tell me your question. First, make your own question.
One question.
Yes.
Um, 3 times 7.
So first say 3 multiplied by 7 and
3
then write
multiplied by 7.
step by step you have to tell me.
7
And
times
everyone please write it in the chat box. Those who have the proper method, the way we have done, please
Ma'am,
write in the chat box. I will read your
what,
answers. Yes.
ma'am,
7
what Dhwani is
multiplied
saying,
by
we have to write it, no?
What?
What Dhwani is saying, we have to write, no?
Dhwani one you know don't write. You write your own two sums. And
7
write it in the
multiplied
chat box also. Yes, Dhwani.
7 multiplied by 3.
7 multiplied by
7
3
times
means 7 times 3. Okay.
7 groups of 3.
How many will be in the each group if 7 groups of 3 are there?
Uh, in all the groups 3
7
3
groups of 3. In each group will be
3 3. So
3
we'll write
sums.
3 plus 3 plus 3 plus
How many times 3 you will write?
7 times 3.
7 times. Okay. And now come to the number line. So you start from 0. Your first jump will be on.
3
Next will be on
7
7.
uh, 6
Next will be
then
on.
9
So this way, if you keep on going 7 times, you will reach on which number?
21.
Don't multiply directly. Do it with the number line.
Okay. Then we'll go to 12. Then we'll go to 15. Then
Hmm.
we'll go to 18. Then we'll go to 21.
Hmm. Yes, someone has written, let me read the child's also. Shivani has written 9 times 8. 9 times 8. So Shivani, how many will be in each group if 9 times 8 is there?
In each group, there will be 8.
There will be 8. So when you start the number line, Shivani,
Yeah.
you start from 0 to,
0, 0 to 8.
then next will be Your 0 to 8. Then again you will count 8 numbers and then you jump from 8 to,
16.
then again count the 8 numbers and jump. Because 8 things are there in the one group, no?
Ma'am,
One group is,
24.
yes, this way when you do
Ma'am, I
9
sent
groups,
it in the chat box.
write the answer in the chat box. Next is Jignesh, are you ready?
Renu ma'am,
Yes, Pritika.
by means.
Let me, everyone please do and show me the way Pritika is showing me. This way you can show. Yes, Pritika has done 6 into 2, 6 groups of 2, 2 times. Yes, now Pritika, show me the number line also. This way you can show me, it will be better, but students. Dhwani, I have seen already yours. So yes, Asta, can you bring it little closer, Asta? What is your numbers? What are your numbers? 2 into 3. 2 groups of 3. Yes. Next is, who is ready? Hari, you are ready with the solution? Here, turn on your camera. Jignesh, please show me. Each child will do at least 1 or 2 sums in the notebook and show me in the class. Yes. Mohammed, I have pinned you. Please show me. Mohammed, why you have used this notebook, first of all? Where is your maths notebook? Mohammed Momin, I'm talking to you. Where is your maths notebook, Bacha?
Ma'am, after because I have to clear.
Okay. So, what is your, show me? You have taken 6 into 2, 6 into 4, 6 times 4, 6 groups of 4. 6 ग्रुप्स ऑफ 4. तो आपने जो प्लस बनाया है ना वो गलत बनाया है. आपको 4 को लिखना है 6 टाइम्स, 6 को 4 टाइम्स नहीं लिखना है. गॉट इट? गॉट इट मोहम्मद? जब आप पढ़ रहे हो विद द रीडिंग ऑल्सो इट इज क्लियर. 6 ग्रुप्स ऑफ 4, 4 के 6 ग्रुप, ईच ग्रुप में 4 होना चाहिए. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, this way you have to write 6 times. Any other child is ready, can show me the notebook?
Ma'am, can you see?
Yeah, I will pin it. And please don't leave the class. I can see 2 of the students have already left the class. No, Jignesh, it's coming completely black.
Oh.
Another child? Hare?
Ma'am, now.
No, still completely black is coming screen. Viha, are you ready with the sum? Viha, Diva, please show me your notebooks. Asta, do one more also. Yes, 5 into 3. 5 times 3, 5 groups of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 is 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. And yeah, little bit number line is not clear, otherwise it's okay. Okay. Little bit number line is not neat. So make it neat. Yes, Diva, I can see you. What are your numbers, Diva? Can you bring it little closer? It's coming blurred. Can you read it for me? What are the numbers? 5 into what? 4 into what? Whatever. क्या लिखे हुए numbers वो पढ़ो.
4 and 6.
4 and 6. So 4 multiplied by 6,
4
right?
multiplied by
4 groups of 6. So 4 groups of 6 means in each group how many items will be? कितने होंगे बच्चा दीवा?
6 to 12, 12 to 18, and 18 to 24.
Yes. So each time आपको 6 jumps करना है, ना कि 4 jumps. Clear? Any doubt to any child? I want everyone has to at least do 2 sums, and I am going to send you the worksheet today. I am going to send you the worksheet based on the number line today, okay? And please do practice of story problems also. In the next coming class, we will do the revision of the multiplication as well as we will start the division also. Can any other child wants to show me?
Yes, ma'am. I want to show.
Okay, Pritika, please show.
I can show these.
5 groups of 4. Yes, good. In the number line, what you have taken? On number line, what you have taken?
Ma'am, me?
On number 9, your 0 to each number will be on? Yes. 0 to 5, no, 0 to 4. Okay, thank you, students. Please do practice. If any doubt, ask me in the next class.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.